Hey everyone, today I am on a 230 SDX outboard from Sea Ray Boats. Right now I'm pulling out of our marina. We're based here in Seabrook, Texas, just south of Houston. And just wanted to tell you guys all about this incredible boat. So it's the SDX line from Sea Ray. And what that means is you're gonna get a ton of room in a 23-foot boat. Huge bow area, very nice head compartment on here. Twin displays is the way we optioned it on the helm. You have all your switches at arm's reach. You have your trim tab system. You can control your stereo from this Simrad or the stereo controllers over there. There actually might be a removable handheld control as well on the boat in the aft section. I'd have to check on that for you guys. But man, this boat really rides and feels like a dream. Even in rough conditions. You're not going to beat a day out on the water in a Sea Ray boat powered by Mercury outboards. So definitely come by and see us soon. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Talk to you soon.